Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello mga ka-showbiz! Tuloy-tuloy lamang ang pagiging international print ad magazine model ni Liza Soberano. Ito nga ang pinaka-latest na recognize siya at ginawa siyang model sa Netherlands sa sikat na numero, isang magazine sa mundo na mayroong franchise sa Netherlands digital. Ito nga sa US ginanap at sa Netherlands ni-launch at nailitahala at naipublish sa Netherlands. Kaya naman maraming salamat at tuloy-tuloy lamang ang karera ni Liza Soberano kahit hindi siya active sa Hollywood at sa mga pelikula ay ito siya sa film numero franchise ng Netherlands. Kaya naman congratulations Liza Soberano. Narito pa ang ibang picture o larawan na kinuha sa kanya para sa film numerong magazine.
I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way.